What is good, y'all? It's your boy Nate, aka Beeman, back with another video. Today we gonna go wash the car. It's been raining really bad out here. It was like, I'd say 3 straight days of pure rain, so she's dirty. She still look good, but she dirty for real. So I'm gonna take y'all, yeah, I'm just gonna start doing a little more car vlogs, get y'all more involved with me. And yeah, stay tuned. Next clip in the metas. What is good, y'all? We in the metas now. We had to pick up some cleaning supplies because I was running low on some shit, and we're almost there. Get some little drives right now. We low-key washing our car mad late, but right now is low-key a good time. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get some like good-ass like B-rolls of my car too. We're almost there though, at the car wash. Let's go. There's one up there. Yeah, hella people here though. Let me go far right, so I can talk to y'all in peace. What's good, y'all? We in the car wash. Look at how musty. Like, if I get close, y'all can see. Musty. Even these rims, oh my. This shit about to look clean. And I'm still recording on the metas. Damn, I forgot. But yeah, this shit gonna look clean. What is good, y'all? We just finished washing the car. This is my first time like publicly vlogging, so this is kind of funny. But yeah. Just finished washing the car. Oh my gosh, as you can see, it's night. I put in that fucking work. I actually did try like detailing it damn near the best I could. Got tire shine on them. Got my calipers showing red finally. They were musty before. My black is shiny. Everything looks smooth. But yeah, I think I might go drive around right now, and then who knows what you guys might see next, but I'm trying to do something fun tonight with the car. But yeah, we'll see. Schmaxy. Damn. I'm gonna take us to this nice little park, chat. What's good, chat? We drove around a little, chat. I didn't really record too much. This is more like gonna be like a vlog, like me actually holding the camera. I did get some clips on my metas. Definitely like put those in. We on the hill, look at the city. We got a beautiful Beamer right here. I wanna like show y'all like the car obviously at night. Like this should look kind of nutty. Like, I also wanna like talk about like what I want from this channel and what I wanna do. So I'm actually like really trying, if y'all can't tell, and I've been like seeing, and like it's good to have quality over quantity. So I'm really gonna be trying to like make my YouTube videos, like my edits, like things I do, like really good quality, you know. With this like channel, I also want to like start including like some other people that I know that got cool cars, you know. We compare their car to my car, and then y'all just make a decision off of that, you know. Chill, there's a car coming, and I'm shy. I'd be shy. Getting my homies' cars, putting it with mine, racing, comparing them, you know, all that cool, fun stuff. Something I want to do, and hopefully we'll be doing soon, is getting a bike or a C6 Corvette. I want like another car or another like something else other than this to make even more content on. Like that would be cool to also introduce, especially like my whole lifestyle, and like I'm still a college kid, you know, and still this and that. But I think that would be cool. Let me know what y'all think about that, and like what car I should get, and like, you know, if a bike, tell me what bike, if a car, or what Corvette, you know, just help me out, like give me opinions. But that's my goal by the end of this year. By the end of 2026, I'm trying to have another car or a bike. And yeah, so that'll be smooth. I can double content on those. That'll be cool. Fuck, there's another car coming. I'm mad shy. That's like really what I got planned for y'all. Let me know what other vlogs y'all would like to see. This was like a car wash kinda, and like just like night drive one. Let me know what other type of shit y'all would like to see for sure though. I might hit a little clip right here. Y'all gonna see. Alright y'all, so y'all just saw some cool little fun clips. The exhaust sounded pretty good. Once I go catless though, and I get my tune, and when I do my tune, I'm gonna do pops and burbles, but it's gonna be like on low, like on some calm, like no excessive or annoying shit. Like it's gonna like 1 pop or 2 pops, and it's like 1 second. None crazy. Excessive is crazy, but like 1 or 2 pops ain't bad. That's my opinion. But once I go catless, I actually will sound even better. And then once I get the tune, oh my gosh, I can't wait, y'all. It's gonna be fun, but just stick for the ride. I promise you it'll be worth it. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and yo, it's your boy Nate. I'm out.